Škoda are pleased to introduce the new Enyaq 85 edition. This new model replaces the outgoing Enyaq 80 and offers an enhanced battery range, improved standard specification and new software, whilst retaining the Enyaq's striking styling and spacious interior. Life with an Enyaq is made even easier as a new model has an improved WLTP combined range of up to an impressive 348 miles in the SUV and 353 in the coupe, and with charging capacity of up to 135 kilowatts, will charge from 10 to 80% in as little as 28 minutes. The Enyaq edition also comes with a host of new specification too, improving comfort, practicality, drive convenience and safety.
To enhance comfort, the Enyaq edition now comes with a 13-inch navigation display, heated front seats, heated steering wheel and tri-zone climate control. And for the driver, electric adjustable seat with memory function and number support. The Enyaq's practical nature is refined, with the addition of the electric tailgate and virtual pedal, keyless entry, wireless mobile phone charging and privacy glass with rear blinds. And finally, driver convenience and safety have been improved with new assistant features, including travel assist and adaptive cruise control. The car also features new full LED matrix headlights, blind spot detection and front and rear parking sensors with a rear view camera.
The Enyaq edition is available with 4 different interior design selections to enable you to personalise the look and feel of your car. The standard loft interior combines a classic grey cloth and black leather, complemented by brushed aluminium. Upgrade to the lounge design and enjoy a combination of leather and suede microfiber with distinctive mustard stitching. The suite interior offers a luxurious, premium, soft black leather with piano black inlays. At the top of the range, EcoSuite combines sophisticated cognac brown leather, which is ecologically tanned with the extract of olive trees. Or, to upgrade the Enyaq further, choose from the Sportline, VRS or the new top-of-the-range L&K model, which all offer extra features and exterior styling upgrades.
The Enyaq range is available in a selection of different power variants. We also offer a dual-motor all-wheel drive option, named 85X in selected trims. Coming in both the stylish SUV and dynamic coupe body style, there really is an Enyaq for everyone.
As you can see, the Enyaq offers a fantastic combination of comfort, performance, style and practicality, and is perfectly balanced for business and family life. To find out more about how the Enyaq could feature on your fleet, to arrange a test drive or for any more information, please contact your area fleet manager or visit our website.